Highway surveyors in Greater Noida play a crucial role in the design and construction of highways in the region. With their expertise in surveying and mapping, they ensure that the highways are built to the highest standards of safety and efficiency. These professionals are responsible for collecting accurate data on the existing terrain and infrastructure, which is then used to develop comprehensive design plans for the highways. The role of highway surveyors in Greater Noida starts with conducting detailed surveys of the land where the highway is planned to be constructed. This involves measuring and mapping the topography, existing road networks, utilities, and any other features that may impact the design and construction process. By accurately capturing this data, surveyors can identify potential challenges and develop effective solutions to overcome them. Once the initial survey is completed, highway surveyors in Greater Noida work closely with engineers and architects to develop the design plans for the highway. They use advanced software and tools to create detailed drawings and models that depict the proposed alignment, cross-sections, and structures of the highway. These plans take into account factors such as traffic volume, speed limits, safety requirements, and environmental considerations. During the construction phase, highway surveyors play a critical role in ensuring that the project is carried out as per the approved design plans. They monitor the progress of construction activities, conduct regular site inspections, and verify the accuracy of measurements and alignments. By keeping a close eye on the construction process, they can identify any deviations from the design plans and take corrective measures to maintain quality standards. In addition to their technical skills, highway surveyors in Greater Noida must also possess excellent communication and teamwork abilities. In Greater Noida, highway surveyors are essential to the planning and development of the area's highways. They guarantee that the roadways are built to the greatest standards of safety and efficiency, thanks to their expertise in surveying and mapping. These specialists are in charge of gathering precise information on the topography and infrastructure in place, which is utilized to create thorough design plans for the highways. In Greater Noida, a highway surveyor's job begins with completing in-depth assessments of the site where the highway would be built. The topography, current road networks, utilities, and any other features that can have an impact on the design and building process must all be measured and mapped in this step. Surveyors can spot possible problems by precisely collecting this data, and the planning and building of highways in the area depend heavily on the work of highway surveyors in Greater Noida. They guarantee the greatest levels of safety and efficiency are met when building the motorways, thanks to their expertise in surveying and mapping. In order to create thorough design plans for the highways, these experts are in charge of gathering reliable data on the current topography and infrastructure. Highway surveyors in Greater Noida first perform in-depth inspections of the area where the highway is slated to be built. This includes determining and mapping the topography,